Speaker, I have a petition entitled Withdraw Bill 5, Maintain the Endangered Species Act.
You don't have an endorsement from the people you're saying you're trying to help.
We've had 1,000 ER closures in the last 12 months. We're spending $9.2 billion on private staffing agency, which is much more expensive. PSWs, nurses are quitting and leaving the field, and hallway medicine is growing. Can you explain how this plan is working? We cannot expect our children to be paying higher and higher tuition rates to get the jobs of tomorrow. It needs to be affordable so we can pull people out of poverty into the jobs of tomorrow. The reality is that we have created a system where the market is really expensive, and if we leave it to the market, we're just going to build expensive apartments and condos and homes. We need to start building homes and condos that our kids can afford to go into, and the tradespeople who are building them can afford to buy. The Premier spoke about tariff layoffs in January. I appreciate he's doing a tour of the province, but when will he start protecting jobs? So while 4,000 workers are expected to do more with less, WSB management spends millions on U.S. contracts, they take trips, and they award themselves huge bonuses. Does the Premier think this is acceptable? I'm glad that on the 40th anniversary we were able to pass the bill, Bill 118, Inter-Workers Day Act, so that we rectify this, so it would be recognized officially.
CHS didn't invent this appalling behavior, Speaker. They learned it from the Conservative government, who steamrolled workers' rights with Bill 124, right. Bill 28, and right now with Bill 5. We can't support scrapping the Endangered Species Act and bringing in an act that just talks about where they live today, right now. It's like saying that your house is protected, but it's okay if we tear down everything around your house, the grocery stores, the school, everywhere else you go. That's fine as long as your den is okay. Speaker, residents pay nearly $3,000 a month for care. Last year, Extended Care's posted a profit of over $60 million. My question, Speaker, is why isn't the Premier insisting that the money goes into senior care and not into shareholders' pockets?
Good question.
These are difficult times, and it's time for us to stand up from whatever party we're from, because the people of those ridings selected each of us because they felt like we would show the best level of leadership. And I'm urging all of my colleagues across the aisle, to my left, and all around me that we rise to the occasion and do our best. Thank you, Speaker.